Hi everybody, welcome back to another Food Review on my vlogging channel. Oh, it smells so good in here. My name is Nick Mangione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, folks, I want to welcome you to a three-part series. You're probably saying, Nick, what's with the big bag? So, as promised this morning on the live stream, and if you missed the live stream, go back and watch it. We are reviewing Denny's. Yay! And a big thank you to Postmates as well. Postmates provided the delivery for me, so in no way this is sponsored, but I ordered via Postmates, and it was okay. It was a good experience. But Denny's has a very eclectic menu. So they have three new items that they got. They have an all new menu on that's online. They have three new menu items that I was interested in trying. And this is not going to be the last Denny's. After these three reviews, I'm going to do more Denny's at a future date. But I have all the stuff back there, with the exception of one. So let's bring you in on the first item we got. Actually, let's do that's better. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the new Pancake Puppies from Denny's, and they're fried. They're essentially fried pancakes, but hush puppy form. So you're thinking, well, you can either get 5 or 10. I vow for the 10, just because I want leftover food for tomorrow night too. So yeah. So these are the Pancake Puppies. This is the first of the new items. Oh, hold on. Okay. Perfect. This is the first of the new these are the first new items from Denny's. Probably should have put some sauce in it, but that's here whatever. So I do a fork, and let's just take a bite of the new Pancake Puppies from Denny's. Oh god. Mmm. Is that strawberry? Mmm. Oh. I believe that's strawberry inside. Mmm. Look how crispy the outside is. However, let's take some water. Okay. Look how crispy the outside is. Mm. However, inside is amazing. Mm. let's try this one that's perfectly cooked. It has snow on the outside, aka powdered sugar. Mm. It's a great mix between crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Mm. The batter on the outside is awesome. Mm. That's all I'm gonna do. Mm. 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 Wow, that's good. Probably even better than sauce. I don't know if I got sauce. I think it's for the crepes or pancakes. I'm not sure. So let's take a drink. Let's take one more. And we'll leave it at 5 minutes. Okay. Mm. 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 Actually, that's it. That was a bite I wanted to take. Mm. So, I'm sorry, but sorry about that, folks. I don't know what's going on outside. Anyway, that's the bite I want to take. Let's take one more bite. Mm. 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 Wow, impressive. Probably even better with vanilla sauce or syrup. Next time I will use syrup. Very good, very crispy on the outside, light on the inside. Perfect mix. Perfect. So, let's rate the new strawberry pancake hush puppies from Denny's. I'm going to give these a strong 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Let's just finish this off. It's off. Let's see. Extreme close up. The flavor is amazing. The flavor is amazing. Perfectly cooked. You can see the batter is awesome. On the inside, it's good too. So 4.5 out of 5. It'd be 5 with sauce. But unfortunately, the sauce is back there, and I'm too lazy to get it, so it loses points because of that. I'm just kidding. Go to Denny's, get yourself a strawberry pancake puppies appetizer or meal or whatever it is. You will not be disappointed. I promise you that, folks. Well, folks, that will do for part 1 of my Denny's review. Stay tuned for part 2, which we're going to do the chocolate banana pancakes made with Gilly Deli chocolate chips. And it's going to be amazing, and I hope you can join me for that. But until next time, folks, please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, this is Nick Mander signing off from the new and improved Food Lab. Take care. Bye.